Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x to the power of 5 divided by x cubed is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now in the first method, we need to move this x cube to the right hand side. It is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 1, and it will becomes here x cubed only. And further, in the next step, we need to move this x cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 5 minus x cubed is equals to 0. And here in the next step we need to break this fraction. So we need to break this exponent, and the exponent of this time is 5. So it will be written as x to the power of 3 plus 2 minus this is x cubed is equals to 5. And here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponent, we need to break this exponent, and after breaking this exponent, it will be written as x cubed multiplied by x square minus this is x cubed is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take common x cubed from both of these two terms, because x cubed is lies on both of these two values. After taking common x cubed, we get the remaining values are, from here we get x square minus, from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x cubed equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So x cube equals to 0 means that this equation has 3 roots, but this equation has 3 roots in this form 0, 0 and 0. So the 3 roots of this equation are 0. It means that these are the 3 equal roots. And now here in the next step, we need to find other roots from this equation. So from here we rewrite this equation as this is x square minus 1. We write 1 as 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this algebraic formula, we write here this equation as this is a minus b. This will be written as x minus 1 times of x plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 1. This is the first root of the given, this is the fourth root of the given equation, and from here we get x is equals to minus 1. This is the fifth root of the given equation. So because here our given equation is of fifth order, it means that given equation has fifth roots. These are the 3 equal roots, that is 0, and these are the 2 distinct roots, that is 1 and minus 1. So here we get total 3 distinct root of the given equation 0, 1 and minus 1. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots are a solution or is these roots are extraneous roots. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x to the power of 5 divided by x cubed is equals to 1, and in this side we will be verify x equals to 0. In this side we will be verify x is equals to 1, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to minus 1. So here we verify all 3 distinct roots of the given equation. So when you put this value into the left hand side, and it will become 0 to the power of 5 divided by 0 cubed equals to 0. We know that if we take any power of 0, it is always becomes 0. So this becomes here 0 over 0 form equals to 1. So here we know about that This is the 0 by 0 form and usually called that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, so it means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, we conclude about x equals to 0 is that x equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, because x equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, so that we just called that x equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And further in the next step we move towards our second root. So here we have x equals 1, we put it here, it will becomes 1 to the power of 5 divided by 1 cubed is equals to 1. We know that 1 to the power of 5 becomes 1 over 1 equals to 1, and we get here 1 equals to 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal when we take x is equals to 1. And now in the same pattern we move towards our x equals to minus 1. So when we put x equals to minus 1 here, it will becomes minus 1 to the power of 5 divided by minus 1 to the power of 3 is equals to 1. This is right hand side. So we know that when you have negative term have even have odd power, it will becomes minus 1 on both of these two cases, and you get here equals to 1. So this minus and minus are gone, and you get here 1 equals to 1. So this also shows that both of the sides are again equal. So if again both of the sides are equal, this means that x equals to minus 1 is also be the solution of the given equation. So here finally we conclude about the solution set of this problem, and the solution set of this question is plus minus 1. So these are the two solutions of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method, and in the second method we copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x to the power of 5 divided by x cubed is equals to 1. So here in the second method I can just give you another technique in which you can fastly or quickly get the roots of this equation. So here we use this nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. So according to this rule of exponents, we just apply this rule into the left hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 5 minus 3 is equals to 1. And here we obtained x square is equals to 1. So for the values of x, we need to take square root on both of the sides, so that now when we take square root on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. So you know about that, this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, we know that square root of 1 becomes here 1. And also you see here, because we apply the square root on both of the sides, so that we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So these are the two roots which we get here from second method. But here in the first method we already verified that both of these two roots are satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about solution set of this question is that x is equals to plus minus 1 be the solution of this problem from second method. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.